What's going on, gang, man? Listen, we got some unusual weather out here in South Carolina today. So you can see the thing. Got a little snow out here today. Do a little cold start. About to run to the store real quick. We don't usually get snow like that around here in South Carolina. At least not where the part where I'm at, you know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna stick though, to be honest with you. We'll see. I don't even know what this video is gonna be, to be honest. Thought about going to go get some shots of the truck while it's like this, but I wanna wait, see if it's gonna snow. That's when it'll really be more beneficial if it snows. But if not, well, not if it snow, if the snow stick. Let me clarify that. I really want to go put this two-wheel drive test out in the snow. It's not really sticking to the roads or anything, but I just want to go put it to test. But it's getting a little too dark. I'm seeing on the weather app it's saying it's supposed to rain, not rain, it's supposed to snow again this week. Like they don't this weekend, well, this week coming here. So hopefully it does, and if it do, then I'm gonna try and get some footage of that.